All right, so lesson 2, here's what it says to do. Draw a picture to show the division. Write a division expression using unit form. That's 2 things, okay? Then express your answer as a fraction. That's 3 things. They wrote it going across, but we like our 3 equal sign strategy. So before we rewrite this, let's draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 1 divided by 5. Let's draw 1 large cracker. A cookie. And what am I dividing by? 5. So how many equal parts will I have in my cookie? 5. And so I have 5/5 divided by 5 equals 1/5 equals 1/5. Now, you could go ahead and do all of these, but 1 is enough. I don't want to hear another random sound out of your mouth. Okay, let's look at B. This one says 3 divided by 4. So my total that I'm going to draw is what, boys and girls? 3. So 3 s'mores cookies. And we're going to divide them among 4 children. So this is a total of 3. How many equal parts should I have in each cookie? 4. Because I'm dividing by 4. Good.
3 lines.
Okay. Now that I have them divided by 4, let's put it in unit form. So, how many fourths do I have?
12.
Yes, I have 12 because I have 3 groups of 4, right? So, you were getting ahead of me. You were telling me the answer, okay? So, 12/4 divided by 4. 3/4 in unit form, because that's part of the directions, which equals 3/4, or 3 divided by 4. Now, how do I show this? Little brackets, and I'm going to have 3 in every group, showing 3/4. I gave up on the fancy brackets earlier today. Yeah, just do a little like this one I did here. Yeah. All right, so how do you feel about this? Fist to 5. Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. Let's take a look at the last one because this one is going to be an improper fraction. I can tell that. Because if I use my little strategy of 6 divided by 4 equals 6 divided by 4, it's going to be improper. So what do I need to draw? How many for my total?
6.
Let's not make them too big so that you can get them all in a line. And the total is 6. 3 equal signs. Right? Okay, so I'm dividing by what again, boys and girls? 4. Well, that was a pretty bad 4th.
Don't worry.
I'm going to move it over. All right. fourths do I have now? 24. How'd you get that so fast?
This times 4.
Oh! 24 fourths divided by what? 4. Okay, so that gives me 6 fourths, which written as a fraction, 6 divided by 4.
Or 1 to 1.5.
Okay, let's take a look at this. Christian says, just turn this into a mixed number. So 4 goes into 6 once. There are 2 left over. So it's 1.5. Very good. Okay, go ahead and write that out. Now, how do I show 6 fourths?
Cover a hole and just add 2 more.
And add 2 more. So this is 6 fourths, which equals 1.5. You're doing great. Okay. Now remember how I said, oh, don't worry, it's going to get easier. It's true. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the page. And the next page I copied off for you was this little group of 6 questions. Okay? Now, the objective today is to understand a division problem as a fraction and to understand a fraction as a division problem. So, if I do 2 divided by 3, my answer will be 2 divided by 3. Okay? Keep going. What if I have 15 divided by 8? So it's 15 eighths. But that one's improper. So I want to remind you the strategy. If subtracting in your head is difficult, you can always subtract like this. So 15 eighths is equal to 1 7/8. Okay, that's enough. So 11 fourths. Now just a minute. 11 divided by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So this would be 2 3/4. Okay? So this is pretty much doing it without the model. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
It's just the numbers. Okay, wait a minute. How do I go from a fraction to a division problem? 3 divided by 2. And Christian was getting ready to mention the denominator. The denominator is the divisor. Okay? Remember when I said D equals D? Don't forget. Your denominator can be your divisor. So if I have 9 divided by 13, that's pretty simple. Now, do you remember when I said it doesn't work with mixed numbers? So, but that's okay. Because what can I do to a mixed number?
You can convert it to like.
Okay, convert it to an improper fraction. So 1 times 3 plus 1.
4.
So underneath that, write 4/3. And then you'll just write 4 divided by 3.